Hello everybody, welcome back to Hard Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily enable or disable the IoT network on your TP-LINK Deco X50. So what we want to do first is we want to go over to more from the main page. Now let's scroll down and go to IoT Network, and here we can enable it. As you guys can see, now basically this network will be for, let's say, our cameras, smart lights, smart TVs, and here we can change the bands. We can disable it right here, and this is how it works. It's very fast. It's a very fast process. So that's basically it. I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.